46-year-old Parnell Gaines, who's accused of shooting and killing another man in a driveway on Saturday. This happening in the northwest part of the valley near Torrey Pines and Alexander. Gaines is now charged with open murder and is due back in court.
What up, man? You love my little channel? Y'all gonna see my fingers and stuff like that. So this breaking news for the gang world. Notorious Rolling 60 Crip, Parnell Gaines, aka Craze, has been arrested for murder. And it's crazy how he got arrested, man. And it's always about a fucking female, you know what I mean? So they're going to say on September 2nd, the victim was found. It was a victim, right? Old boy that he killed, name was, hold on. Where he at? Well, they ain't going into that, but you can look it up, though. But, yeah, said, Lil Craze went up over to somebody's house, man. He was messing with some girl. The girl didn't want to be with him no more. He kept going to the girl's church, which he did community service at, going to her work, come to her house. I guess so happened he pulled up in the car with her or something like that. And the auntie was like, hey, you can't be up over here, man. You know, woo, it's a restraining order on you. So I guess the Craze is like, bibbly blam blam, blam blam, ba bam bam, which means bitch, ho, shut the fuck up, or fuck you. And said the nigga, they didn't say he was a boyfriend, but he had moved up in there with the girl that Lil Craze was messing with. And the dude was like, hey man, you can't be saying all that, woo woo. So I guess the nigga, Lil Craze, Parnell Gaines, was like blam blam, blah 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 to the nigga. And the nigga was like, hey homie, you can't be disrespecting me. And they say that the report said that the nigga slapped Lil Craze, and Lil Craze pulled out a strap and shot old boy in the chest, and there it is there. So yeah, I got a lot of followers. Some of my followers are gang members too, and they like what I'm doing over here. So yeah, man, Notorious, Rolling 60 Crip, my homeboy, homie. This is something crazy about it. He never said nothing about this murder. I'm around these type of niggas, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't hang with the average Joe. Niggas I hang with, man, they'll do something to you, my nigga. But I ain't saying that to be saying that. But that's how I get down. But yeah, this nigga didn't say nothing about this, man. You know, you putting everybody in danger. Hey, when y'all put in work, just let the motherfucker know y'all hot, cuz. Say, I'm hot, homie. I'm hot. And the nigga know to get the fuck away from you. Alright, man. Free Parnell Gaines, man. My homeboy, even though he did what was wrong. Damn, my nigga. Notorious, Rolling 60 Crip, Lil Craze, Parnell Gaines arrested for murder. We out. Like, subscribe, and on the channel.